welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and of course the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I am going to be talking about a very powerful and important herb, which is the herb called the Alpinia Galanga. This herb can be found in Asia and Africa, and it has been used for hundreds of years to cure so many ailments. And today I want to talk about it. I want to expatiate on it to tell you the importance of this herb. This herb is something that looks like ginger. It looks a lot like ginger. In fact, it is from the ginger family. Okay, but it's not ginger. So you need to pay attention. When you see this herb at first glance, you think that it's ginger, but it's not. It's kind of pinkish in color. You might want to call it pink ginger, but the name is Alpinia Galanga. The herb is quite popular. What you need to know about this herb is that it is a very powerful herb and can cure a long list of ailments. And it is something that people use for when you say anti-aging. You want to slow degeneration processes of the body. This herb is very active. For those people that want to look young, you want to maintain your skin, you want to maintain your sanity, it is very good for your brain. Okay, it's very good for old timers, for those people that are always forgetting things. It makes someone to be very vibrant, energetic, and active. So this is something you really need to get your hands on, especially in the situation of reproductive health for men that have watery sperm, men that are having difficulty getting it up. You know what I mean? Men that want to get children. This is something that is very important. In fact, the reason I am talking about this herb today is because of that very department. Okay, because a lot of people ask me, and a lot of men have issues with this thing. As a man, when you get to a certain age, especially if you are with one partner all the time, it's like the thing does not always fire, the cylinder does not always fire on time. So you need things that need to be oiling the cylinder so that it can be full throttle. Anytime you mash brake, it will hold. Anytime you put the ignition, the car will start. You need all these kind of things. Okay, it is normal. It's something we should not hide. So you need to be knowing about this kind of stuff, and you need to be putting them in your arsenal. They should be in your cupboard, they should be in your kitchen, they should be in your house. They should not be far from your person, because you don't know when you might need it. It is better to have something and you don't need it than when you need it, you don't have it. So Alpinia Galanga is one of that thing that you should always have inside your fridge. If for nothing else, it does a lot of things for the body, and I will list it for you. They call it the spice of life. Okay, it is used for cooking, just the way we use ginger for cooking. They use it for cooking stew, they use it for seasoning, they use it for tea. What you need to know about this particular herb is that it's very good in the prevention of different type of cancer, and it is very active. Modern science and research have discovered that it is very effective in the treatment of gastric cancer, leukemia, melanoma, pancreatic cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, liver cancer, and bile duct cancer. Okay, apart from that, it is used to treat digestive issues like bad breath, body odor, and it balances the body hormone. For people that have hormonal imbalance, that see any little thing, their body is acting up, allergies, to women that their period is irregular, this is something that you need to be taking all the time to balance the hormones of your body. So this is a very powerful herb, and it is also very rich in vitamin C. So you will need to check this herb out. Okay, I'm not playing. You need to do your research on it. Apart from that, it improves blood circulation around the body. As a result of that, it helps to improve cardiovascular health. Okay, it has also been discovered that it reduces the lipids, blood lipids, and cholesterol. Okay, so this is something that is very, very important for the body, and you can find it easily in the market, and it is not also expensive. Okay, so you need to find this herb, and you need to get your hands on it. Okay, there are two types. So we have an Alpinia Galanga, we have Alpinia Pureata. Alpinia Pureata is different from Alpinia Galanga, but they look the same, but that one is more reddish. They also call that one red ginger. Some people call that one pink ginger. So please do not mistake between Alpinia Galanga and Alpinia Pureata. Okay, they almost look alike, but they are different. That one is also healthy too. That one does a lot of good things for the body as well. But today we are talking about Alpinia Galanga only. So I'm stating it so that you should not confuse the two. They almost look alike, but they are different species. Okay, the main thing I want to talk about for this very herb on this channel is that it is very effective in the treatment of watery sperm. Okay, for men that have watery sperm for whatever reason, the way it is, you need to make your sperm thick. You need to improve the quality of your sperm. Science have also discovered just this year, research, Cambridge University and also a university in Iran also did research on this herb. They discovered that it improves the quality of your sperm. They did this with some American buck rabbits. They discovered that the result was very, very significant in increasing of sperm and reproductive health. So from this study, you can see that this is highly effective in the increasing of testosterone levels in mammals. And besides, people in Africa and Asia have been using this herb for this very treatment for hundreds of years now. So now modern science just caught up with it and discovered that it actually increases testosterone levels, and it increases sperm motility and sperm quality and percentage. So if you're suffering from low sperm counts, watery sperm, this is what you need right now. So I will put the link of the research under this video so that you can go and check it out, so that it not be like I just come to internet to be talking. There is valid academic research to prove the validity of the power of this herb for treating this very illness. The way they do it, they discover that they mix it with zinc. That if you take this herb and you mix it with zinc as a supplement, it helps to improve this your sperm quality and quantity very, very much. So you need to get it, and then you need to get zinc tablets from your chemist. Then you need to be taking them together. Okay, so this will solve that problem. So for those men that have this issue, this is something that you don't need to spend money on. Go to the market, buy this Alpinia Galanga, then go to chemist or your hospital to go and get zinc tablets, mix them together and start drinking them. Okay, it will help to improve your situation. And please don't forget to thank me later as well. So this is the main thing that I really want to talk about this herb on this channel today. It's a very, very powerful herb, and it's something that we need, especially in this day and age where fertility treatments are becoming more and more expensive for people to carry out. So this is something that you can easily use. Apart from that, it also elevates your immune system. If for nothing at all, it strengthens your immune system. Studies have discovered that as well. It also reduces fever. It is antifungal, antibacterial, and it also cures arthritis. So this is like a wonder herb, something that nature have given to us freely to use for our own benefit, to use to treat ourselves and also to enjoy life. So I want you guys to get your hands on it and use it, and tell me what you think about it. Don't forget to thank me later. For those people that have been benefiting from this channel, you can always donate to the channel. This channel run on collective support of people that are interested in the development and promotion of African spirituality. So please, if for nothing at all, you can always donate to the channel. The donate button is on paper. If you want to donate, don't go to YouTube. YouTube takes 45% of every donation you give. So I don't get it. I don't want people going there to be doing this, how do they call it? This chat something, start chat. Please don't donate to YouTube. YouTube is taking off enough from us already. If you give $10 on YouTube, $4.5 goes to them. So please don't go and be clicking donate button on YouTube. Better you donate to paper. Paper takes just 2%, or you contact me privately. I will give you information. So please don't go and send money to YouTube. You say I gave him $10. You didn't give me $10. You only give me $5. So please don't use YouTube. Don't use super chats. I'm not happy with that thing. They take 45% of every damn thing on super chat. Don't use it. Use paper or contact me if you want to donate, so I can get the full benefits of your donation. Okay, so with that being said, I thank you very much. If you are interested in learning about the secrets of African spirituality, my website River of Knowledge is here waiting for you. We have a lot of secret stuff, a lot of powerful stuff that you can use to improve and benefit your life. Then if you want to read my book on quantum physics and African spirituality, the book is right here waiting for you. It is the first book that I've been written on quantum physics in the history of Nigeria. It is the most simplest book to understand about quantum physics, and it's a book that talks about quantum physics from a pure Afrocentric perspective that will make it very easy for an African to understand the subjects. I made it very, very easy. It is not a compacted book. It is not more than 150 pages. It is very easy to read, very easy to understand, to absorb this knowledge. So the book is here waiting for you. It's just $25. Then if you want to do your spell work, love spell, breakup, exes, pacts, open doors, my number is on the screen. Okay, you know how to call me. Please, before you call me, be prepared. Before you call me, don't call me then you start telling me stories. Please respect me, and try to support this thing so African spirituality can grow. African spirituality needs your collective effort. We all need to build it. We need to invest in it. Like other religious and spiritual bodies, people actually invest in them for them to grow. African spirituality, people don't invest in it. They only come there when they have problem. So please, let's try to build this thing. Let's try to make it cool, and it's our own thing. All of us will benefit from it. So I hope you can see it like this. Register for my classes, learn this knowledge. You can share this knowledge, transfer it to your children, use it to help your loved ones. This is the only way we can grow, survive, and strive as a collective African race. Okay, with that being said, I thank you guys very much. Those people that have been supporting me, guiding me, directing me, I thank you very much for your support and contribution. I appreciate. And apart from that, I'll be seeing you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.